Hi viewers, I just wanted to do a quick thank you video to Anna T especially for her generous bid in the auction raising funds for Don, the heart transplant patient, and I thought I'd do the video before mailing this off to her. And also a thank you to everyone who donated via PayPal or GoFundMe. And and thank you to all those who commented on the auction video. And I'm going to get this packaged up shortly to send off to Anna after I've run a few silver coins down it, of course. The Mexican Cuauhtemoc 90% ASE, which you all know. And what have we got there? An Onza Libertad. Lovely. So anyway, I'm sure Donald, or should I say Donald, will leave a comment down in the comments below, and I'll leave a link in the description, which is that little drop down arrow if you're on your phone. I'll leave a link in the description to Anna T's channel if you're not already subscribed. And thank you all again for your efforts, your comments and donations, and hopefully I'll be doing a video soon with another fake coin, as one has just arrived from Sweden. So thank you all for watching, and catch you on the next video. Bye.